YouTube, this is Bell Wings. I love talking about Jesus Christ and the Father unto you, my loving one. In this world it is important to know you are a child of God and remind yourself to follow His rules. In the end you will thank yourself later. The heart of God is so epic you will feel like springtime blown up to Christmas time. Every loving moment in lifetime's infinity you feel all at once to point your feel like your body cannot contain any more divine love. The love of the Father is so great I have found myself writing fast pages to even get a toe on the Father's love. No joke, I am for real about that. His love is so serious and powerful that it warps your mind, leaving you dazed. You want to scream at the top of your lungs like a little girl being happy, because the Father's heaven's love is so earth-crushing. I am so upset that I cannot reveal His love, for it's that powerful. I thought I knew the Father's love before, but He made me dance to a tune I never thought existed. The Father of creation's love is so tropical. You know it. One, the world's false evil views are a complete total lie about the Father, and I will defend my Father's name in heaven until the day I die. I talk with great urgency. Everything the Bible talks about the Father and Jesus Christ is all true. People, you must leave your own ways and other gods behind and come to Jesus Christ in heaven. This is urgent. I cannot begin to warp the urgency and excitement I have about the Father in heaven and Jesus Christ. I feel I can write 1 billion pages being dead serious about the awesomeness of the Father in heaven, and it still wouldn't be enough to describe His love for me and for all of you. I want to cry.